Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change refresh rate on Samsung phone. So guys, if you want to change the refresh rate on your Samsung phone, so all you guys have to do just go to settings, but make sure if your phone have supported to change the refresh rate, so you have the option of motion smoothness on your device. But if your phone doesn't support to change the refresh rate and the refresh rate is set to default, so you cannot change your refresh rate. So firstly, just go to motion and smoothness. As you guys see here, I have the option of motion smoothness from where I can change the refresh rate from 120 Hz to 60 Hz. So basically the adaptive is 120 Hz and the standard is 60 Hz. By the way, in your devices, the maximum refresh rate is adaptive and the lowest one is standard. So if you want to change it, so I'm just selecting standard so that it is changed to 60 Hz. And if I want to change up to 120 Hz, so I'm going to select adaptive mode. So that's how guys we can change the refresh rate in Samsung devices. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.